In this video, we will explore React.memo, a powerful tool for optimizing React component performance. We will focus on preventing unnecessary re-renders, which can significantly improve the efficiency of your React applications. React.memo is a higher-order component. It wraps around your functional components to optimize rendering performance. The primary function of React.memo is to memorize the component output based on its props. This means it will prevent re-renders if the props haven't changed, leading to performance improvements. One common issue in React applications is that child components often re-render, even when their props have not changed. As an example, consider a parent component where the state changes, and an expensive child component with a name prop. Even if the name prop remains the same, the expensive child component will still re-render unnecessarily, potentially impacting performance. To use React.memo, import memo from React. Then, wrap your component with the memo function. For example, create a component called myComponent and assign it to memo of another function called myComponent that returns a div with props.name. This tells React to memorize the component and only re-render it when the props change. React.memo works by comparing the current props of a component with its previous props. If the props are the same, React skips the re-render, thus optimizing performance. If the props are different, React proceeds with the re-render. By default, React.memo performs a shallow comparison of the props. For more complex scenarios, you can provide a custom comparison function to React.memo. This function allows you to define your own logic for determining whether the props have changed. The custom comparison function takes two arguments: previous props and next props. Return true if the props are equal, otherwise return false. For example, we can compare the IDs in prev props and next props. If both are equal, return true. React.memo is most effective when used in specific situations. Consider using React.memo when you have components that undergo expensive renders, such as those involving heavy computations or complex user interfaces. Also, consider using React.memo for components that experience frequent re-renders due to parent updates, but receive the same props. Here are the key takeaways about React.memo. It prevents unnecessary re-renders, improving performance. It uses shallow comparison by default to determine if props have changed. You can provide custom comparison functions for complex prop comparisons. It is best used for optimizing expensive components that frequently re-render. Optimize wisely and always measure performance to ensure that React.memo is providing the desired benefits. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.